Hello and welcome to all the How To Do subscribers and viewers. Today I will show you how to connect to a Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones on iPhone. This should work for almost all variations of iPhone. What you're going to want to do to start is go into the settings app that should be on the main page. You will find there, basically fourth from the top, there is a Bluetooth option, has that little blue icon next to it. You click on it and you will see that it is listed as on for me. Now that is the case, but I am not connected to any sort of Bluetooth. You can see all my different devices are already there. I have my Beats that I could connect to, and I'm trying to connect to them here, but they are simply out of range and not turned on. So that's why it's not connecting, but if my Beats were in range and turned on, it would be connecting within seconds. If you're looking for a new device to connect to, one that you haven't already connected to like I have here, you will see below all of those 5 options that there is a little loading icon that is kind of spinning around and going through its different cycles. If you did have a Bluetooth to connect to, that's where it would appear right by my Samsung TV that is available to connect. You could turn Bluetooth completely on or off if you'd like I showed before. And you could also connect the little eye that is right next to the different devices. It'll give you some more information about them and also allow you to delete them and remove them if you would like to do so. For me, I have the option to connect to my Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth, but like I said, if you had a headphone or speaker that you were trying to connect to, it would appear under the other devices category like my Samsung is showing there. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions or needed any help deciphering this tutorial, leave a comment below and I will get back to you and try to help. But if you did find this helpful, leave a subscription. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.